Alright, so I got those tightened up. I didn't have a bolt that will fit in this third hole, or this fourth hole. I have some, but they're not the same thread pitch. So I'm just going to roll with it. Ain't no big deal. Like I said, this is all low speed. The hydraulic side is low speed. It's just to get it around where you're digging at, like I say. And then the freewheel. Yeah, the freewheel is for when you traveling down the road. Okay, so I got it figured out. Well, this thing wouldn't turn. So it's making me look bad. So when tighten these bolts up, I got them all tightened. So I had to pretty much take this assembly back off. Inside of here, there's splines that connects this little rod that goes to right about right here. And there's a splined coupling. It has a snap ring in the middle of it as well, so it doesn't, walk back and forth as you're using it. So the snap ring, I guess that coupling goes on one way because the snap ring is not really like in the middle of it. So I guess whoever took this apart before had put that coupling on reversed, and the snap ring was on the short side of the snap ring was on the motor, which pushed it deeper when you tighten this, which pushed it up against the actual hub inside of here. So I took it apart, flipped it around, put it back together, tightened up those the motor bolts, and as you can tell, the son of a gun spins with just your pinky. That's what it's supposed to do. And then when you lock this in for, it's kind of hard to do this one-handed. When you lock this in for, ow, 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 dang it, lock that in for hydraulic use, that's it. Focus camera. Yeah, that's it. See, it locks in. So, and then you pull it out and rotate it like that to get it in trailer mode, so you can tow it. Yeah, it's just like four-wheel drive hubs on, like this truck here. It's just like those, except this is a pull-out twist lock instead of a lock-unlock. So your spring is actually on this shaft and not on the. It's not in there. So, and that's packed full of grease, so it's good. Yeah. Now I can get this wheel back on, and what else I have to do? Oh yeah, I gotta get lights. I gotta get lights mounted on here for when I tow it, because until I go back down to a smaller tire size, I can't put the fenders on. So, all right. Yeah, I done went through it this morning and cleaned the carburetor out because I didn't want to idle. I got it working good now. Then I had to fix the damn hydraulics on this side. Somebody had took it apart and had the lock coupling in there reversed, so when you tighten the motor down, it locks up this wheel. But I got it fixed now to where it works like it's supposed to. Yeah,